In this video we are going to look at how to disable USB devices in Windows. We will look at two examples, and in the first example we will apply the configuration system-wide mean all users on the computer will be denied access to USB storage devices. In the second example we will look at how to target specific user or group, so only those users will be denied access to USB devices. Also, this guide is for standalone Windows computers, and if you do this on Active Directory you will apply the same group policy setting, but you have to do it through the Active Directory domain controller. So in this first example we are going to apply this deny setting system wide mean. Once we did this, all users on this computer will be denied access to USB storage devices. So first we need to open Microsoft Management Console, and for that you can click the start button and then type mmc and then select this one, mmc run command, and from here go to file, add remove snap-in, and then select group policy object and click add. And here it should be local computer, since we are doing the system wide configuration, and if the local computer is not selected you can click the browse button and select this computer and then click finish, OK. And from the local computer policy expand this one and then navigate to computer configuration, administrative templates, and then system. From system go to removable storage access, double click this one, and the setting we need to configure is called all removable storage classes deny all access. Double click it and then switch to enabled and click OK. And now the setting has been applied, and before closing this window we will save a shortcut to this management console, so we can access this setting again from this shortcut. Here I will save it on the desktop and call USB disable USB all users. And this setting to be effective we have to either run the gp update command or we have to restart the computer, and here I will restart the computer. Right, and so the computer was restarted, and now let's insert a USB device to this computer and let's see if our configuration is working. And I am here working on a virtual machine, so I go to removable devices and I will add this ADATA USB flash drive to this virtual machine. And now if we go to File Explorer, this piece, and here's the USB device, and it should be access denied. So that's how we apply the setting system wide, and in the next example we will look at how to target specific user or group. So first of all I'm going to undo the system wide setting, and we will open the management console through the shortcut we created. And then if you can't remember the exact setting, you can select one of these directive and then go to more action, filter options, and then here select manage yes and configured yes and click OK. And then go to all settings, and you will find the all settings you have enabled in this here, and here's the one we enable, and we will change it back to not configured mean. The settings mean that system wide setting will be revert back. Okay, so now we should be able to access this USB device now, since we undo the change. And also I am going to delete this shortcut since we don't need that anymore. To target specific user group we still need to do it through the management console, so we will create a new management console, and here again go to file, add remove snap-in, group policy object and click add again, and this time click the browse button and go to users tab, and here's the list of groups and users on this computer, and here I'm going to target this non-administrators group. So once we apply this setting, the standard users will be denied access to storage devices, but administrative users can still be able to access storage devices. You can also apply this to individual users, but if you want to target multiple users, the most efficient way is to target a group instead of individual users. And here click OK and then click finish and OK. And then we go to user configuration, administrative templates, system, removable storage access, and again we go to all removable storage class deny access all, and we will enable it. And we will also save this management console as a shortcut. And we will now restart the computer, and after the restart we can check if the configuration is working. In this computer we have two users, user 1 and user 2. Here user 1 is administrative user and the user 2 is a standard user. We will first log into user 2 and let's see if the user 2 can access USB devices. And if we go to File Explorer and access this pen drive, it should be access denied, and means our configuration is working for non-administrative users. And we will also go back to user 1, and user 1 should be able to access the USB device since user 1 is an administrative user. And so our configuration is now working on non-administrative users. And before finishing the video, I want to show you something, that if you delete this shortcut, that doesn't mean that the configuration will be revert back, and you are only deleting the shortcut and the configuration is still effective. And only way to access that configuration again by creating a new management console, and we will create a new snap pin for group policy object again, and we have to target the same user group. And then we will go to administrative templates and we will use the filter option to find our setting. So filter options, manage yes, configure yes, and click OK. And all settings we will find this configuration, and here if you want to undo it, select not configured and click OK. And now the setting is disabled, and here if you don't intend to use it again, you don't have to save this as a shortcut, you can just close it. So that's how we disable USB storage devices in Windows.